Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching me cooking with an Italian. Today something typical, original from UK, sausage roll. We need not much ingredient.
Just.
My partner I say so many times just. I'm sorry guys. Okay, we need some mince. Here is Master Chef Enrico, always helping me. We need some trim. I use the pork, but you can use any trim you like, or you can mix any trim you like. Typical sausage roll is with pork, but someone do with lamb, beef, blah blah blah. Anyway, dinosaur beef.
Dinosaur beef.
Yeah, we need some garlic. I'm gonna have some variant. I'm gonna use egg, Parmesan, breadcrumb. This is pastry. Take out from the fridge because it's gonna be a little bit soft. And we're gonna use salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit.
Security glasses.
Yeah, a little bit of paprika powder. Okay, we start. We need a bowl. Enrico, can you pass me this bowl?
Yeah.
Yeah, pass me this. Thank
Already?
you. Okay, mean inside we can have, this is 80 grams, this is kilo meat, this is 80 grams of Parmesan, but I'm gonna have some leftover. Maybe I'm gonna make some meatballs tomorrow. Okay, Parmesan inside. Enrico, you're gonna put the egg inside, please.
Yeah.
Break it and put inside. The egg is inside. Now we need mi passi questo che devo mettere il garlic. Garlic. You can use onion, garlic or nothing, but I think we need some flavor. I use a couple garlic. We're gonna use some breadcrumb. We don't put slowly, we see the consistency later. And black pepper, how much you like. Some paprika powder, how much you like. We need some garlic powder. And
we need some salt.
and we need some salt. Well done, Enrico. And we need some salt. Now mix everything. If you want, you can add some fresh herbs, but mix everything. Later I show you the consistency. Maybe we're gonna add some more breadcrumb. Okay? See you soon. When is something like this, but this is not soft like I want, add some water. Enrico, can you please put inside some water? Put. A little bit more. Stop. And now mix again until all the water is absorbed inside. Add some more breadcrumb. In 2 minutes, when everything is done, we're gonna make the sausage roll. Okay? I'll show you next step later. Okay, guys, the mix is ready. It's not too hard, not too soft. It's perfect. Now we need the pastry. I won't say in that pork means I use just belly of pork. It's because we need a little bit fat for the flavor. My oven is on 200 degrees because we're gonna cook these sausage rolls around 45 minutes for
Make sure to stroke the pastry.
200 degrees. Yeah, the pastry is this.
And
Easy
first,
job.
you have to stroke it
Yeah. And now,
to
guys,
make sure it's ready.
now the best way to do this is take the meat, put here like this, and do like sausages. You know. Later, how big you want to do, you can make one big sausage roll like this. But giant. We can have 3 sausage roll. Okay, Eric always help me. Now, guys, the job is done. You have just to take the pastry.
What?
You see? Roll it again. Oh, this is already the sausage roll. Cut straight from here. The pastry. No, now it's done. Now the sausage roll. We want to make this side here. This side, bigger one. I think this side. You see? Very nice. 2, 3, and this. We do 4. And I make another couple there, and I show you when all of them they're ready, what we're gonna do, and we're gonna put straight away in the oven, okay? The sausage is all there ready. Make ready a tray ready to go in the oven. Now, by knife, take your knife, make the hole like this. 1, 2, 3, or by 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you can use eggs or eggs. I like use just the red yolk. Okay. We're going to do this with a brush and brush it. Okay. Yeah, there we go. You wanna give a nice color, and this going in the oven 40-45 minutes. Later I'm gonna be more precise, but around 40-45 minutes, 200 degrees. Okay. Hey guys, always if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now in the tray, 1, 2, 3. Guys, the job is done. Now check if the egg is everywhere. It's important. Now straight away in the oven, 200 degrees, 40-45 minutes. I'm gonna be more precise later, and see you in 40-45 minutes when the sausage roll they're ready. Okay? Okay guys, the beautiful sausage roll they ready. I can confirm 45 minutes 200 degrees, and this is the result when you use just the yolk. This is super smooth, very nice. They already out from the oven, already is over 15 minutes, and now look at it. They amazing. They look beautiful. I'm very happy because look at it. Fantastic. Now we're going to try it. I just want to see. Look at it. Amazing. Oh, look at it. Fantastic. The smell, I don't know if it is too hot. It's absolutely delicious. Wow. Guys, I cannot try better. It's very hot. Enrico cooked something, you know, with the pastry. It's nice, right? Wow, very nice. Guys.
This is the one covered in oil.
It's absolutely delicious. Another masterpiece. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. Beautiful. Guys, the sausage roll is this, the best. If you like, finger up and follow us.
And
Ciao.
the caprese is this.
If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.